Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel Hassan Tech. I am Santosh. Till now I have been uploading few videos on how to service and take care of your motorcycle at home. Those are all theoretical videos. So I thought of making few practical videos so that I can share my knowledge with you. When it comes to mechanical terms, theoretical knowledge also will become more important in addition with the practical knowledge. So I thought of making few videos on practical knowledge of mechanics. So without wasting much time, let's start with the video. The practical term that I will be discussing today will be the engine heating issues and the solutions to overcome the engine heating problems. So let's start with the video. The first point and the most important point which is to be considered is the engine oil level. Make sure the engine oil level is accurate, because the engine oil is the lifeblood of your motorcycle and scooters. So always use the correct grade of engine oil as mentioned in the user manual of your vehicle. Using different grades of inappropriate temperature level will lead to heating up of engine. So use the correct grade of engine oil as mentioned in the user manual. Use a good quality engine oil to keep the engine healthier and to improve its life for a longer time, preventing from carbon deposits and many other engine issues. So the engine oil might also be one of the reasons for overheating of your vehicle's engine. The next point is the overloading of your vehicle than the specified capacity. When you overload the vehicle, it starts to exert pressure on the engine to do more work, and you also start revving behind. So this obviously leads to the increase in the temperature of the engine. So do not overload the vehicle. It also leads to the serious damage of the engine. The next reason for heating up of the engine may be the brake free play. Check on to that there is a minimal amount of free play of the brakes. Do not over tighten the brakes. If the brakes are over tightened, the brake liners will exert pressure on the engine drum, thereby not allowing the wheel to move freely. So check on to that both the wheels are rotating freely without hesitation. As you can see, when the wheels do not rotate freely, this indirectly exerts pressure on the engine to rotate the wheel, thereby heating up of the engine. So check on to that there is minimal free play of the brakes. Adjust onto it correctly. The next point is revving up of the engine for a longer period. That is holding on to full throttle while doing long rides in the highways. This will heat up the engine very quickly. So maintain economy level while doing long rides on the highways. This will help you to reach longer distances without a single problem when there is correct amount of engine oil in your vehicle. What happens if you ride at maximum throttle for a long time is the engine will get heated up frequently and you need to give brake for efficient cooling of the engine. So maintain economy range for better performance of the engine and for fuel efficiency and to improve the engine life. The next reason for overheating of the engine is the oil pump failure or the oil strainer failure. This happens at a very rare cases. When there is a failure of oil pump, the oil in the engine sump fails to reach the cylinder head through the oil galleries and to the crankshaft. In the cylinder head, the rocker arms, camshaft, timing chain will be working at a higher pressure and temperature. So when the oil doesn't reach the cylinder head, the metal to metal contact increases at higher speeds, thereby due to friction the temperature of the engine increases. This happens at a very rare case, but if once it happened, it will destroy half of the engine. One of the reasons for oil pump failure is the carbon deposits. when you do not change the engine oil at regular intervals, the carbon deposits will block the passage of oil gallery. Hence, I recommend you to change the engine oil at regular intervals. If it is necessary, you can also flush the engine. Another reason for heating up of the engine is dirt and mud collected on the cooler fins of the engine. So I always suggest you to keep the motorcycle neat and clean, wash it well. What happens when the dirt is collected in the cooling fins is, it does not allow the air to pass through the cooling fins in order to cool the cylinder. Thereby, it increases the engine temperature. So always keep the engine cylinder head fins neat and clean from dirt and dust. Engines of all the vehicles are designed to work at a specified range of temperature efficiently. When the temperature increases beyond that safe range, it leads to damage of different engine components such as oil seal, rubber components, O-rings and gaskets and so on. They are made of rubber and fibrous materials. They can withstand only a certain range of temperature beyond which they will be damaged. In addition to the points I have covered till now, if you own a sports bike, then check for the leaks in the coolant hoses. Check if the thermostat is working and make sure the coolant oil level is up to the mark. Clean the radiator regularly from dirt and dust. Make sure the radiator fan is in very good condition. So following all the points I have covered till now, this will solve the engine heating issues of your motorcycles and scooters, thereby increasing the engine life, keeping it healthier for a longer period of time. Friends, thank you for watching the video. I hope so the video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my next video, and also share the video with your friends.